Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing the Huion 1060 Plus. It's a graphics tablet under £50 and under $50, so very affordable, and I'm going to be comparing it to things like the Wacom Intuos Pro. Gearbest have kindly sent me the tablet to review, and the links are in the description, and their prices seem pretty competitive. They haven't paid me to say that, they just sent me the tablet and asked me to review it. I've had a fair bit of experience with different graphics tablets now, so I'm going to be comparing it to all those. So first of all, a bit about the tablet. It's got 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is pretty normal and very good. I see no reason to go above that. I've not noticed any difference with the Mobile Studio Pro that I use. It's a nice big area. It's 10 inches by 6 inches, and I think that's a real positive for this. It does make a bit of a difference, the size of your graphics tablet, and it makes it easier to draw straight lines and you don't have to zoom in so much. It's got the 6 buttons down the side which you can program. Unfortunately, you can't change them for different programs. So if you're in Photoshop, for example, and you want a different set of shortcuts than you do in Blender or another 3D program, then you're going to find that awkward to have to keep changing it. It comes with a pen and obviously the changeable nibs, and the pen has 2 buttons on it, which is pretty normal. What's different from this to the Wacom that's much more expensive is that you will need to charge it every now and again with a charger. I think you get, with a lot of usage, about a month's worth of charge. So it isn't a massive problem. And you can actually use it whilst it's plugged in. The charger connects to the back of the pen like this. The feel and sensitivity of the tablet is great. There's not a great deal of difference between this and an Intuos Pro. There is a tiny bit of difference. I do kind of prefer the Intuos, but that's probably because I'm used to it. I think with a bit of time I could easily get used to the feel of the Huion. I do notice the pen nib seems just that touch bouncy, whereas the Wacom is a bit firmer, and I prefer that, but again that's probably just my preference. The nice thing about it is it comes with a micro USB with an 8GB card inside, so it works as a micro USB card reader. Also, they say they put the drivers on there, although it didn't come with the drivers on mine. I had to look it up on the internet, but that was very quick, very easy, and I've had no problems with the installation. The one major difference that it doesn't have that the Wacom Pro tablets have is tilt. So when you tilt the pen, it acts like you've tilted a pencil, and this works in different ways depending on how you set your brush up. This is something that's never bothered me, and I've never really used it. But if that's something that you look for, then this isn't the tablet for you. Overall, I can thoroughly recommend this tablet. It's a fantastic bit of kit, and for the price, I don't think you can get better anywhere. I've had a good look around, and compared to the Wacom, it's really great. There's not a lot of difference. I would say if I were to rate them, the Wacom might get 10 out of 10, whereas this would get 9.5 out of 10. So it's pretty close, and those little things that might bother you, if that bothers you so much, then get a £300 to £400 Wacom tablet instead. So that concludes my review. Thanks very much to Gearbest for sending this to me, and I think it's a fantastic bit of kit. I would thoroughly recommend it at only £42, I think it is. So I hope this was useful to you, and thanks for watching.